This is a 2008 BMW X3. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a sunroof with a sunshield, cruise control, an 8-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, 17-inch wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, dual power seats, and this vehicle has fewer than 27,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Bob Zimmerman Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4001 First Avenue Southeast in Cedar Rapids.